clean paint. Look at that. Everything looks really clean. Tiny little mark right here, but that's PPF. That's nothing. Front end real clean. Let's get underneath the front end. Look at that. The carbon's clean. Wheels. She's really clean, actually. Peter. Got TPMS sensor light. That's it. No check engine light, no nothing. She's loud. Some of my guys are on the phone over here. Really nice car. Windshield too. Windshield looks really nice and clean. Not beat up. Oops.